Welcome back. We're going to teach you in this video how to jump start a car when your battery is dead. So you go to the grocery store and you put all the grocery in your trunk and you're ready to head out. You open the car, it won't turn on. What happened?
Maybe your battery's dead. In this video, we're going to show you just what to do in that case using jumper cables.
Well, first, you're going to need another car. So this car's battery is dead now. What we got to do first is put them and align them so that the batteries are facing each other. We got to pop the hood for both cars first. You want to open that one, girls? The latch open. There's a latch to open up, but you just gotta. Yeah, there you go. Just pull it up, and then put that thing up. You wanna do that? Atta boy. Alright, both batteries aligned, and this one is dead. Warning: when you're using jumping cables, make sure they're not touching each other, because that's dangerous. So first, we gotta use the dead car's battery. We put the negative with the negative right over here. And then for the second car, we put the negative with the negative right over here. Make sure they don't touch at all. And then you put the positive with the positive right over here. And then you finish it. And then you open the car. As we have opened this car first, we now proceed to open the dead car's It works. Now it works. We gotta hurry up and remove the cables as fast as you can without letting them touch.